This is site 500 on Summer. So we have here a Canterbury, and this is extra wide because the slide out is pretty big over there. So we're going to come around here. So we have the bear. The previous people loved it. And so it's not a huge site, but you have room for the shed back there. You've got a wood shed, a shed, and you have a patio here. Yeah. Now, so here we have this other room. This is an add-on room. Okay. And okay. Anyway, so we have this. Lots of cupboards in this one. I forgot to turn that light on. Okay. So we have all kinds of cupboards here. And you've got open there. Look at all the windows. Okay. Obviously there's no real furniture. But you'll see there's cupboards up here. And someone told me that they used to have a wood stove. And I don't know for sure, certain. There's some cute cleaning utensils and a dehumidifier. But there's cupboards, lots of cupboards. Look at this kitchen. That is a nice kitchen. So you have here a really large fridge. And it is also a large stove and oven. There was another light. Dual sinks. They just put in a brand new water heater. It's not a huge one, but it's big enough for the park model here. And then this is the shower slash tub. So this one has a full tub. And you have windows. It drapes, counter space, cupboard space, more space. And then they have a futon in here. So you will notice some of the windows have plastic on them to keep them more insulated. So what you'll find is the futon is going to stay unless you really don't want it, and then they will get rid of it. And then they have more cupboards. So the older trailers do have lots of space. See what I mean by cupboard space? More cupboard space. Now here's your VCR DVD. And there is a little TV in here. Okay. And there's the shed out there, right outside the window. So I wanted everybody to take a look at that. A regular toilet in here, definitely. So it definitely needs some work, but it's actually, it looks a lot nicer than it even did. So that's nice.